So, ayun guys, meron lang akong i-share na automation. Kakagawa ko lang sa kanya. Hindi pala to. So, itong automation na to isa siyang real estate agent na nagko-call ng possible leads or possible seller or buyer sa Baguio. Itatry natin siya. Kailangan may mag-call sa phone. So, ayan, nag-call siya. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, ano siya, US number. Kasi Twilio kasi yung nagamit ko dyan.
From KTF Realty. I'm a real estate agent. I want to ask if you have property in Baguio.
Yes, I have.
Great. Have you considered selling it, or are you open to discussing options?
I don't have a plan to sell it. But where did you get my number?
I got your number from public property records and legal listing sources. Totally understand if you're not planning to sell now.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
No problem at all. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Jason.
So, ayun guys, 'di ba? Nakakausap natin ng real time yung agent na tumatawag. Napakaganda niya, napaka-powerful niya sa mga business owner, lalo na sa real estate. Hindi lang naman sa real estate. Sa mga business na nagma-market ng kanilang business, mga nag-uumpisa, ganun.